Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a mini review on the new deep conditioning mask that I received by Coco and Eve. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I'm going to show you also how I straighten my natural hair as well. So this is what my hair looks like. I had it in a protective style, but as you can see, it's a little dry and it definitely does need a treatment. Today I'm going to be using a hair mask by Coco and Eve. It's their fig and coconut hair mask. It's also going to come with a free detangler. I'm actually going to use this to help detangle my hair once I apply my mask. This 5-in-1 treatment is designed to restore dry, damaged hair and hydrate and tame frizzy hair. So if you're short on time, this hair mask is designed to work in under 10 minutes. It's going to improve your hair's texture and shine. So here is my hair after it's been freshly washed. I'm going to show you exactly how I apply this hair mask, and I'm going to show you the results. So I'm going to be sectioning my hair off in 4 sections. As you can see, I have natural hair, and it can be very overwhelming at times when you're trying to detangle. So by putting it in 4 sections, it makes the process a lot easier. So I'm going to be detangling with my hands. And then I'm going to start off by applying some of the hair mask to the ends of my hair, and I'm going to work that through my hair until it gets to my roots. Now when you apply it to the ends, make sure that it's fully saturated. This is going to help with the detangling process. And another reason I like to apply to the ends first is because that hair is typically the driest and it's also the oldest. And then I'm going to go in with the tamer brush, and I'm going to use this to fully saturate the ends and make sure that all of the product has been distributed throughout the hair. So I am going to do a close-up so you can see exactly how I apply it to my hair. I'm just going to take small sections. I'm going to take a little bit of the hair mask, apply it to the ends. I'm going to work that through until I get all the way to the roots. And then I'm going to use my tamer brush, and I'm going to move the product throughout the ends of my hair to make sure that everything is evenly saturated. And when applying your hair mask, make sure that you always apply it to your hairline as well. That hair tends to be the softest, but it also gets a lot of heat damage and it gets dry extremely easy. As you can see, I was having a little trouble with my plastic cap, but I did manage to get all of the hair in there. And with this mask, you only have to let it process for 10 minutes. So I'm going to let this process for 10 minutes, and then I'm going to rinse it with cool water. And as you can see, my hair looks a lot shinier. Now we're going to move on to styling. Today I'm going to be doing a silk press, and I'm going to blow dry my hair in those same small sections. And once my hair is fully dry, this is what it looks like. Now typically I like to put my hair in a protective style, but today we're going to be doing a silk press. Now the key to a really good silk press is making sure that you section your hair off in small sections. So I'm using about a 1/2 inch sections, and you can actually see that I'm able to see through the sections. They're very small, and I like to take my time as well. So once you're finished flat ironing your hair, you have so many style options. Today I opted to keep my hair straight because I really wanted you to see the results of this hair mask. As you can see, the hair has a lot of movement, it has a lot of shine and body, and my hair definitely feels like it's been hydrated. And I also noticed that my split ends aren't as bad as they were before, so I'm happy about that. So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions about this hair mask, I'll leave all of that information in the description box, and I will see you guys in the next video.